Right there it is.
Oh, there it is. It's open. I see cars in the parking lot. Let's go. Let's check them out. I like it when there's a lot of cars in a parking lot.
Don't make it so nervous.
Huh?
It's not so nervous of whether it's going to be good or not.
I just got to find the drop entrance. There it is. There we go. Actually, they're full. We got more parking in the rear. Let me move. Back in here. Tell you what, let's pull right there in the front.
They sell ice cream.
Ice cream? What? Oh, we made it here at Westtown Restaurant. Westtown Restaurant. Westtown, established 1991. Okay, what's the difference between a Greek grilled chicken or just a regular grilled chicken? I don't know. They got so much on these menus, I don't know what to... I'm confused. What I'm saying. Hey guys, I am confused. I don't know what I want. I can't make up my mind. They've got the gyros or the hot dogs. Should we try the hot dog special?
Onion rings to snack on throughout the day. Thank y'all very much.
What do you get?
Probably hot dogs.
Which direction y'all gotta
Cool.
go? I heard it was bad.
Hey, my name is Penelope. I work at Westtown in Lewisville, North Carolina, and we are privately owned, and we'd love for you to come visit us.
Cool, you heard it. So come on down, everybody. All right, guys. Now, for anybody who's getting ready to go, ew, ew, ew. I'm getting something. I got something that I ain't had in years and years and years. I just love it. Nobody sells it. They do. Ready? Here we go. Beef liver and onions. I know. Some people don't like that, but I do. Mashed potatoes and gravy, fried okra, and cornbread. I don't know, but that looks pretty daggone good to me. I know some of you. What'd you get, Vic?
I got a grilled chicken sandwich, tomato and onions, onion rings, and french fries.
And this is Greek
Greek
grilled chicken.
yeah, grilled chicken.
We're gonna try it. We'll let you know. You got onion rings and french fries
I
in
did,
there.
half and half.
Well, I'll be it. Okay. All right, guys. Here goes something. Try this liver. Holy smoke! How they get that so tender? My goodness, that's pretty daggone good. Oh yeah.
The All-American.
How's yours, Vic? How?
The sandwich is really good. The chicken is really, really tender to be grilled.
How's the flavor for the Greek?
It's good. It's good.
Man, that's got some good food here, guys. All right, guys, we just finished here at Westtown Restaurant in Lewisville, actually, even though it's got a Winston-Salem address. Guys, come to this. They got a buffet. You can come in, and it's a one-time walkthrough. They had all kinds of stuff there, and a humongous menu about anything you want. They got it in there, and it was super good.
It was.
The stuff that I got beef liver, but it was good. I've not tasted that tender before, and the flavor. So definitely come on by if you can. So y'all have a good day, and we're gonna try to make it home. It starts snowing.